over here. Come here.
We don't have to.
I'm happy. What's good, you guys? Welcome back for another video. I am starting this video super rushed because today is Halo's birthday. And we already have a lot of stuff for him. But I feel like I just needed one more thing for him. So I rushed over to the store. Literally right before we're about to head over there to pick him up one last gift. And yeah, today's gonna be a great day. This is my outfit. And yeah, let's get this day started. I'm super excited. Happy birthday, Halo. I love you. Okay, you guys, everything is good. Everything is secured. Now I gotta rush back, go pick up Chino, and then we're heading out to Halo's birthday party. His first birthday party. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Like literally, he was just a little baby not that long ago. Now he's like damn near saying phrases and words and trying to walk, and like it's freaking insane. Oh my gosh, he's the cutest, sweetest little baby too. So I hope he has a great day today. He'll remember it based off the videos. I don't know if he's gonna remember it based off memory, but I'm happy for him either way. All right, y'all, first person I seen is Tiny. We just made it, got the gift, got the everything ready. We're about to enter. I don't exactly know what we need to enter, but look who we ran into. What up, Elijah?
Hi.
What up, Damon? What up, Lexi? Yeah, they got a little. No, man. You gotta whisper it. Only if you can whisper it. Having a Halo Rita.
This is a Halo Rita. Pretty much, it's a margarita.
But Halo
it's
style.
Halo's birthday, so Halo Rita. You got the same?
Cheers. Dink. Yes. Wait, I need one too. Ready? Dink. Dink. Okay, I'm gonna go get one. Look who else we ran into.
Y'all know the boss, man. Baby Rich and this thing, man.
Wow, looking spiffy.
Oh, that's light, you know what I'm saying? Little Louis V, little Balenciaga.
Hey man, sing the song.
I grew up in the hood. We go to we had these types of songs.
Ready for my first Halo drink. Which one do you recommend?
It depends. One's tequila, one's vodka.
I mean, they're both light, right?
It's a lemon drop or a margarita?
I want to not be too messed up. I want to be able to control myself.
Okay, I can make it light. Which one do you prefer?
That one, the Halo Rita's fine.
Okay, sounds good. It's really good. You want it spicy or regular?
Spicy.
Okay, do you want a rim on it?
Yeah. Soy Latina, I need it. The talent. It always I'm always so amazed. You look so beautiful. What up, Vaughn?
How you doing?
What up, Vaughn gang? What up? What do you call your people? Slimes?
Yeah.
What up, T.O. Slime?
What up, slime?
Go Melon!
What's his name?
Ding, dee, 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 dee.
What's his name?
I don't know. What's his name?
JJ.
JJ! So cute! Happy birthday, you little baby! 1 year old! 1 year old! Happy birthday! What up, man? What up, man? What's going on, buddy?
I just got out the mountains. First time camping.
Uh-huh.
Best thing I ever did.
How'd you like it?
Love it.
Yeah, what was your favorite part about it?
Being ducked off.
Really? You seen all them stars?
Huh?
You seen all them stars?
Seen all the stuff.
Isn't it freaking unreal?
We had wildlife, man. The damn pig was behind us the whole time snorting.
Oh my
Bunch of
goodness. Oh, that's so cute. JJ! That's his name, right? That's a big family. Look at their cake. Oh my god, Halo's cake is so cute. How precious.
This means a lot to me and Hallie and Halo. Hallie did a very, very great job putting this together. We think it came out really, really great. And be exciting. But I do have one more surprise before Halo go to sleep. This is his nap time, so he's tripping out right now. So nobody, please don't feel, don't feel a type of way if he acting crazy, because he usually be sick at this time. But he can't go to sleep yet because I got a surprise in the back for him. I need everybody to head towards the back.
Oh my God, Leah! Not only are me and Aaliyah Pisces twins, but me, Wizard Kelly, and Aaliyah are Pisces triplets.
Same birthday and everything. That's crazy.
That is insane.
We so genuine that people think it's something else.
Yeah, like, no, it's too good to be true.
Nah,
it's too good to be true.
They don't believe it. It's way too good to be true.
If you guys know who Wizard Kelly is one of Chino's really, really, really old, long-time friends.
Yes, sir.
And I just found out we have the same birthday.
That's crazy, son. Like, that's really outrageous.
Yo, the best Pisces are born March 6th. No
sure.
cap.
No cap.
No cap.
What time were you born?
I don't know the time.
I was born at 6 a.m. in a blizzard.
I think I was in the blizzard. Why in the blizzard?
I don't know. It was a storm in New York.
Oh, you're in New York.
Yeah.
I was born and raised out here in California, LA. I think I was born sometime in like the AM.
You didn't ask like your parents?
I call my mom right now and ask her. I'm gonna call her and ask her real fast. And here we are. We made it to the movies. All right, you guys. So me and Chino just made it after the whole hullabaloo with the party. It was so great. It was amazing. Now we are here to watch a private showing of The Lion King. If that's not a little boy's dream, I don't know what is. But personally, I grew up with The Lion King. I grew up with all the first class Disney movies. This is so special. Not even to just Halo, but to every 90s kid that grew up watching Disney. This is amazing. And shout out to Daryl Halley making this day so special for him and so special for everybody to remember. Like, this is beautiful. We're about to check in right now, so let's do it. Now that we are done with the party, we are headed inside of the Disney backlot. We are about to privately screen Lion King. Mufasa. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I literally love every single Disney movie. I know all the lines to every single Disney movie, so I'm so excited to be able to watch this with all the people that I love, and it's amazing. I'm so excited. I love you.
I do.
Alright, you guys, that's gonna do it for Halo's birthday. It was so amazing. We just ended it off with watching The Lion King. I cried. It was really good. If you have someone that you lost that you can relate to with something like this, like, it's gonna hit home really strong. But I would suggest seeing it. It was so good. I loved it. Happy birthday again, Halo. We love you. Your aunts love you. We'll see you guys in the next video.
I promise I won't get this stroke at your second birthday.
Maybe. If there's not an open bar.
Maybe.
But happy birthday again, Halo. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
go 얼어붙어 like wow 띵하고 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 난 겨울 Yeah, girl you cold blood Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 chill day 꿈에도 I wasn't done with 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해